I decided to draw a picture or painting of the energy of asthma. It's a condition that I've had ever since I was a child. I kind of like the idea of looking at it from perhaps a shamanic point of view, like all the energies that are interacting. Possibly even just by looking at those energies, there's sort of like an influence of change. I just made that last bit up. I do kind of like the colours here. See like a tall green character like standing up off to the left, but it also like in the body of that looks like a big dog. There's kind of like a hill off to the right hand side with a big cloud over it. So there's this big blue thing in the middle, which I think looks a bit like a lizard, but on the opposite end looks a bit like a cat. It's also shaped just like a penis. Above that to the right is a green pattern with like a meter type, a bishop's hat on. There's this dark shadowy character off to the left. So there's that sort of like hill, reminds me a bit of Silbury Hill, like energy underneath it, a bit like lava, and this big storm cloud and over the top. There's kind of like a figure in green to the left of that, and then a figure in blue to the bottom right. There's like an A shape or a triangle shape formed in the legs of that blue character, and then a bit like a horseshoe shape off to the left on the end of a stick, which I guess would be a hoe. Other stuff there in green, can't quite make out what that is. About halfway up, I can definitely see a bird shape there in green with another smaller bird off to the right, some sort of creature off to the left in orange, and then at the bottom, something possibly cat-like, the flower to the left. I can see sort of a shadowy orange bird's eye above this green bird as well. And the whole face of that bird actually looks a bit like an owl with what would be the right eye missing, but it's got an orange cat in it. To the left of that, on the edge of the page in orange, like an orange face looking through, it looks like some grass or something. They do say that lung conditions are often associated with grief energetically. Definitely get the idea with that black storm cloud over that mound that there's something either dark that I'm holding on to, like sadness, something that I'm perceiving as dark, which actually isn't. Because although it's dark, it does actually have a face, and then a green face coming out of it, big wings that extend downwards. So it could be a massive crow. It actually looks like the hill has got a hand that it's holding up, trying to keep the crow away, almost as if it's sneering in disgust. And maybe that's what the sadness is. I don't know. I do like talking tripe, but I do like the idea of meditating with this one. Thanks for listening, and please like and subscribe.